Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make slime with using tissue and I think body wash. So let's get into the video. Ooh. By the way, I'm going to fast forward this part. So, you take some body wash and some tissue. Make your tissue to the wall. If you don't mind getting your hands a little messy. Perfect. About that much. Oh, keep mixing your body wash into the thing. You're supposed to overwhelm it because then add some water. Make sure it is warm water. Then we're gonna add oh my god, guys, look at this. The slime is already to go. I don't know, but I think that's guessy. But I don't know, but it's pretty. Fast forward. Let's see if it pokes. It pokes, you guys, and it's crunchy. You can squeeze these all you want and stuff. I love you guys. So we're gonna see if you can remember how I made it. So the first ingredient I used was, if you got it right, you're a big winner. The next ingredient I used was, if you get it right, you're even a bigger winner. The next thing I did was, if you get that right, you're the biggest winner ever. Bye guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and do all that good stuff to my channel. Bye.